Hello everybody, this is Bronislava. I'm here with you again. Today's introduction is going to be very short. I'm not gonna bore you with long presentations about my knitting or crocheting because today we are going to be looking at two tools that I got for myself. It's going to be very exciting. I'm very excited about these two tools. No, nobody paid me to go and say accolades about these tools. And also, if you need anything, any written patterns or anything like that, you go and visit my blog, okay? And everything, again, everything, always I try to put as many links below my video as possible, okay? So let's go and see what I've got. Now we have a small box in a big box. I have to put this together. And let me see what it says, how to put it together. I'm excited. And obviously we need to put them together just like this. Okay, and the peg inside. Look at that, how easy. And also these fit into each other. You see? Look how easy it is to set up this thing. And now these pegs will go into, you know, into these holes when you're winding your yarn. So let me go and show you my other gift. Well, it's a gift because I gifted myself. Here it is. Here is my second puppy. Whew, look at that. This is a really heavy duty thing. They definitely wrapped it very well. Absolutely well wrapped. And this is how to use it. Okay, so we have 3 pieces over here, right? And this is what we have to do. We have to place this arm underneath here. Maybe it needs to be undone. So then we will push it, put it under the washer here, okay? And I will tighten it all up. And it has to be tightened up really tight so it doesn't move later. Oh, I also have this thing over here. We need to take that out. There, we don't need that. And then they also said to go and put this, and it has 2 little knobs over here. Okay, and I think they call it bobbin. Do they call it bobbin? I think so. They call it bobbin. Okay, so we will go and put this right in this space, empty space right there. Okay, we will put it in there and lock it. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be exciting. How fast? I'm gonna be doing it much faster. Okay, I'm going to attach this to the table now with this thing here, okay, with the clamp, and we will try it. with my other puppy, my 2 puppies. I'm so excited. I need to look at all my mess right here. We need to go and clean this up so I can show you how to use my 2 little toys now, okay? So here is my yarn winder, all right, attached to my table. And here is my Swift. I called it a winder, but it's not. It's my Swift. And actually it is just standing on a table. It's not attached to anything, okay? It's just standing in there. All right, and we're supposed to put it first through this one here, the one on that extended arm, okay? Then we're supposed to put it through this one here, okay, the one that goes with that is moving. And lastly, we're supposed to put it right here, the yarn, we're supposed to insert the yarn right here on the top of this peg, or I think they call it, what do they call it? Bobbin. They call it bobbin. Okay, and now we can start winding. Oops, it came out. All right. I have to go and learn how to use it, but let me see. Okay, so this is moving, but this yarn doesn't look good. I think it's supposed to be like this. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's moving. Okay, very good. So it's moving. So let me go and show you how it is looking together with the Swift. Okay, I don't have much room over here, but I hope that this is gonna go and help you to kind of see what is happening right now, okay? And I am winding up in a very steady way. Keep your speed of winding same. If you're going to be using this, these tools, okay? I love it. I love it. I love it, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm too far away from a microphone, but hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. And I'm going to go fast. Yeah! Let's go and see how fast I can do it. toy. My dog moved camera. Oh my gosh. She is there. She is here. She is. She is messing up my camera. Okay, let's continue. I'm getting ready to hold the end. Here it goes. There it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah! I am so excited. I am really excited. So this is how my beautiful wind up yarn looks like. Okay, and no more. No more winding my yarn this way anymore. I am so excited. I am so excited for my toys that I bought myself as a gift. So excited. Yay! Anyway, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. And I will see you another time. No. You will see me another time.